When I came to Bombay for the first time, तब मुझे याद है मैं ऑडिशन देने जाता था और अपने मन में मैंने सोचा था कि जब तक मेरा कोई ऑडिशन क्रैक नहीं होगा मैं किसी बीच को नहीं देखूंगा. लाइक मैं जुहू बीच क्रॉस करता था एंड बॉम्बे इज़ लाइक इट्स राइट नेक्स्ट टू दी ओशन. मैं देखूंगा ही नहीं. मैं ऐसे जाता था ऑटो से छुप के. एंड इट वॉज द पावर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. एक हफ्ते तक मैंने देखा ही नहीं बीच को. किसी के घर जाता था, बीच नज़र आ रहा, मैं देखता ही नहीं था. एंड when I got my first contract in my hand as a radio presenter, then I went to Juhu Beach and I opened my arms and I was like, I've arrived. I've conquered this world. So, you know, you manifest your energy and you just think about a particular thing and you achieve it finally. And ऐसा नहीं वो सोच के तुम सोचते रहो, but तुम्हें कुछ करना भी पड़ता है उसके लिए.
100%.
So, वो किया है. I think you have to be disciplined also at the same time.
What are you manifesting for the 40-year-old version of yourself?
Listen, is this like 5 years from now?
Still.
So I'm playing a guy in mid-20s in my films. Thanks for my Burmese genes, like 1/4 Burmese genes. But yeah, after 5 years, I'll be 40. Oh my God.
But what are you manifesting for that phase?
I think nothing is, age is just a number. It's in your head. And if your soul is young and nothing can stop you from achieving like anything in this world. And I think it'll be the same. I'll be the younger version of myself when I'll be 40.
Nice. But for your career, what is the best case scenario from where you stand right now? I know you take one day at a time because you're a spiritual person. That's what we're taught to do.
Yeah.
But at the same time, what's the best case scenario? Where would you like to see yourself at the age of 50 or at the age of 60? Like, I'm not saying career.
Yeah.
What do you want, man? Like, what do you want? Do you want to get up in a big house? Do you want...
I'm not very materialistic as a person.
Okay.
My entire focus is on just happiness. Your internal happiness, your inner peace. And it has to be a correct balance between contentment and ambition. You cannot be hyper ambitious and you cannot be over contented. You have to tread that middle path and you'll always oscillate. But it has to be a mix of both.
Did you make that mistake earlier that you were hyper ambitious?
Of course I was. I was
And
like
kya hua uski wajah
really ambitious. I was suffering personally in my life. And I was not talking to my parents. Nobody. I was such a hustler when I was in early 20s.
कि वो horse vision.
हाँ, मैं मुंबई में नया आया था. रेडियो शो करता था, एक टीवी सीरियल करता था और MTV भी करता था. और मैं सिर्फ गाड़ी में सोता था. मैं सोता ही नहीं था. लाइक आई गॉट अ ड्राइवर ओनली बिकॉज आई कुड स्लीप. सो आई टू जस्ट स्लीप फॉर 3 hours. परेल में ऑफिस था. 1.5 घंटा आना, 1.5 घंटा जाना. 3 घंटे सोता था दिन में. आई हैज टू वर्क लाइक अ हॉर्स.
And you wouldn't do that again if you go back?
No, yeah. I think I've really worked my ass off, yeah, to be here.
This
So,
was in your 20s.
of course, teens, 20s. I think right now it's time to enjoy your stardom.
Nice. That's so basically the core of your life is you're happy with like,
I'm
the
very
stardom.
happy. Yeah.
Crazy, bro. But is there any kind of void in your life? Like, do you want
There'll
something?
always be a void in your life.
तो अब
Your
आपका
life
void क्या है?
cannot be perfect. It's very difficult to strike that balance between your personal and professional life. कैसे मतलब, you know, I'm a young father. I became a father at 27. Second time at 29. I was 25 when I got married. सब कुछ इतनी जल्दी हुआ, मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. मेरी फट गई थी जब मेरी शादी होने वाली थी. I was so young. I had no friends जिनकी शादी हो चुकी थी. And when I became a father for the first time, मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं था जिसकी शादी हुई थी. मैं किससे पूछता कि मतलब how do you feel when you become a father? Ask my father, पापा कैसे लगता है? And he's like, you have to discover yourself. हर एक को अलग लगता है. So, you know, I've seen a lot in these like 35 years.
Yeah. I'm going to turn 27 next year and you were father at that age.
Yes.
Yeah? So, matlab, actually, what does fatherhood change for a young guy like that?
You see the world from the eyes of like a 1-year-old or 2-year-old, 7-year-old.
You feel like
And
hustling more in life because of that?
Not really.
Fir?
It's different. You get more creative.
Okay.
You get more creative. In fact, you stay younger because your childlike innocence is back again. You know, when you lose it at times.
Yeah.
But it's very important for an artist to be a child.